Hi, I'm Carrie Capone, and today we're talking about the number 2 reason why you need a subscription knitting box in your life. And that reason is it's an affordable luxury. If you grew up the way that I did, middle class in good days, we had to pinch pennies until they bled. And even today, I'm definitely all about the coupons and the discounts. And it's hard for me, if I'm being honest, to treat myself to things that are special and beautiful just because I want them, just because I deserve them. It's hard to even say. So if you feel this way as well, then I want to encourage you to take a look at our subscription knitting boxes. They're filled with affordable luxuries. You are going to be able to experience these gorgeous yarns that you can't get at the big box stores. You're going to be using really high-end needles, really well crafted. Some knitting kits out there are going to send you the most basic plastic needles, and if you choose our deluxe subscription, which includes the needles, we always give you the name brand high-end needles so that your experience is just going to be beautiful and smooth. Another way that our kits are affordable luxuries is that they contain products from small businesses who are trying to make their way in the world. Most of them are not very established, and so we at the Spinning Hand are able to develop relationships with the small business owners so that we can grow together. So this is an opportunity for you to try a lot of different products that are not widely available on the market. Some of them are hand sewn. Our project bags, either they're made in India at a women's collective, or they are silk screened in the US. They are hand sewn in Florida. So we always make the effort to build relationships with our vendors. So when you're getting a kit from us, it's not just something that's put together in a factory. They're really hand assembled, literally by me, and sent with love to your home. So give yourself the gift of a knitting subscription box. Visit thespinninghand.com/club, and the links are also below this video. And we will see you tomorrow for the number 1 reason that you need a knitting kit subscription.